We ask our spirit friends to help us cleanse our aura, and also to receive the energy packets, the rainbow of light energy all around us, these vitality globules that are all around you. Say, I am open to receiving this energy to strengthen my aura, to be healthier, so that I may be protected from any negative energy that may come my way, so that I may have the strength to empower and uplift others. I am open for this energy, these energy packets, these balls of light to come into my aura, fill any gaps, repair any cracks, to enliven and energize me, my energy body, and onto my physical body. I accept. I embrace. I am receptive. I am open. Feel the shift in your body now. Take a breath. Do you feel lighter, more expansive, clearer? We thank you, spirit friends. We thank you, beings, for sending these energy packets and having them around us. And we thank ourselves for being open enough to receive this beautiful energy, this healing, uplifting energy, this clearing energy. We are so lucky to be aware enough that there are vitality globules all around us, that the earth sends us, that the air contains, that the sun sends us, that the beings send to us, that we are open to receiving and repairing our energy field so that we may be healed and have energy to live our best lives.